Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to create a new Cash App account with the same number. So guys, if you are trying to create a new Cash App account using the same phone number, there is an important thing you need to know. Cash App generally associates a phone number with an existing account, so you may not be able to simply create a second account with the same number while the original account is still active. The easiest option is to first check whether your phone number is already connected to a Cash App account. Open Cash App and try signing in using your phone number. If you can access the old account, go to your profile and review the account settings. If you want to start fresh, you may need to close the existing account first, depending on your situation. If you have lost access to the old account, don't immediately create another account. Instead, use Cash App official account recovery or support options to regain access. This is especially important if the account contains money, linked cards, or important transaction information. Also keep in mind that creating multiple accounts or attempting to bypass Cash App's account restrictions can cause verification or security problems. Always use your real information and follow Cash App current account rules. So if your goal is to use the same number for a completely new account, first determine whether that number is still attached to your existing Cash App account. Recover or close the old account when appropriate, and then follow the latest registration instructions provided by Cash App. This is the safest way to avoid login verification or account access problem. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.